Hello everyone, you have logged into One India News YouTube channel and this is Mariam. Well, China has been in the news for quite some time now. Be it the India-China standoff over Sikkim or China threatening India about exercising military option or increasing its presence in the Indian Ocean. The dragon has kept India at a high alert. But keeping the serious stuff aside for a while, here are a few interesting facts about China. Number 1. Google offers free legal download of music in China in partnership with the largest record labels in the world. Number 2. All pandas in the world are on loan from China, and when a baby panda is born by agreement, it is sent back to China to help expand the gene pool. The baby pandas are shipped back by FedEx. Number 3. There is a cult offshoot of Christianity in China that believes Jesus is currently living in China, and that too as a Chinese woman. Number 4. China is said to suffer from the worst brain drain in the world. 7 out of 10 students who enroll overseas never move back to live in China. Number 5. There is a counterfeit egg industry in China, and one person can make approximately 1,500 of them per day. Number 6. Tickling was a form of torture used in ancient China on nobility because it left no mark and recovery was quick. Number 7. When McDonald's first introduced drive-thrus to China, the concept was so foreign that many people would pick up their food through the drive-thru, park their cars and bring the food inside the restaurant to eat it. Number 8. Despite spanning 5 time zones, all of China runs on Beijing time. Sunrise in the city of Kashgar occurs as late as 10:17 am. Number 9. During World War II, Japan bombed China with fleas infected with bubonic plague. Number 10. There used to be fake Apple stores in China. Even the staff were convinced that they were working for Apple. Number 11. Rich people in China hire body doubles to serve their prison sentence. Number 12. Brad Pitt was banned from ever entering China because of his role in the film 7 Years in Tibet. Number 13. A man in China has kept himself alive with a homemade dialysis machine for 13 years. Number 14. In ancient China, they used mannequins to lure the enemies to shoot arrows, which they later pulled down to get free supply of arrows. Number 15. In 2006, China slaughtered 50,000 dogs after 3 people died of rabies. Dogs being walked were seized from their owners and beaten to death on the spot. Owners were also offered 63 cents per animal to kill their own dogs before the beating teams were sent in. Number 16. Elgoog.com, that is Google spelled backwards, has a huge following in China because Elgoog search terms are printed in reverse, so users are able to perform Google searches without detection by the Chinese government's search filters, since Google is banned in China. Number 17. China has planted the biggest artificial forest in the world to stop the spread of the Gobi Desert and plans to expand it to 2,800 miles by 2074. Number 18. An estimated 10,000 cats are eaten per day in China's Guangdong province. Number 19. During the 2008 Olympics, China employed 30 airplanes, 4,000 rocket launchers and 7,000 anti-aircraft guns to stop rain by shooting various chemicals into any threatening clouds to shrink raindrops before they reach the stadium. Number 20. After Mao grabbed power in China, there were so many suicides in Shanghai that people were afraid to walk near skyscrapers for the fear that anyone might just land on them. Last but not the least, some people in China actually earn $50,000 a year for being professional fart smellers. Yes, you heard it right, professional fart smellers. Well, that's all for now. Hope you found the facts amusing as well as interesting. For more news and updates, please subscribe to One India News YouTube channel.